Hi Cancer, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for July 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use this Love Oracle deck. We do have Vintage Wisdom Oracle cards by Victoria Mosley for a message from the universe. Another deck that I'm going to dive into is the Archangel Raphael Healing cards. Cancer, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of June, stepping into July for Cancer, we have the High Priestess. It's quite likely that surprises and gains were in store for you. Perhaps this period was also marked by excess communication. Largely, it was a very busy and active period. Maybe you had to be up and about or you had to commute great distances. Besides, everybody wanted you to come to their rescue. Sometimes, you may have done more than the needful, but then you felt that people were ungrateful. I think the universe would have certainly listened to your prayers and would have rewarded you for kindness. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Judgment card. Definitely karma is at play here. What you sow is what you reap. It would be best to lie low and let the storm clouds pass. It's a tough period, but you need to watch your tongue as well, Cancerians. Maybe you should weigh your words carefully this month to avoid misunderstandings. Influences for this month, we have the Eight of Swords energy. For some days, Cancerians, you may be socializing, you may be enjoying good food, but you should also be careful because the pressure could mount on you. It's best to keep a low profile. Maybe you also have to have a very flexible approach because your plans could change at the last minute. It's also advisable, Cancerians, you shouldn't jump the gun. I think because of the pressure of work, you are somebody who is going to force yourself to complete the tasks at hand. Incidentally, while dealing with clients, I think Cancerians, you should ask in advance before you proceed because you may feel as though somebody is taking you for a ride. There could also be health issues this month, so maybe you need to safeguard your health. The first 10 days of July for Cancerians, we have the Page of Cups. Definitely in this time, you will be sought after for your words of wisdom. At times, Cancerians, you could also be focusing on your own self. Maybe you could be accused of being a narcissist. Perhaps you think it's better to withdraw from the world because unnecessary arguments could take a toll on your health. Surprisingly, even if you do more than enough for the family, you may feel that they accuse you of not doing enough. I think it's best to enumerate what you have done, or you should defend yourself by talking about your contributions towards the family. Possibly this month, Cancerians, you'll also be the caregiver. Because of this, you could be feeling the strain. Incidentally, in the first 10 days, I'm also picking up that estranged people could also re-enter your life. Maybe they want to reconnect with the family and this is going to disturb the family peace. That is why I think you don't want anything to do with them. Professionally, Cancerians, I think meetings could be deferred. Like I said, your schedule could also go haywire. Nevertheless, colleagues find you quite competent. I think your superior is someone who will not spell it out or who will not compliment you for your skills to your face. Perhaps you could hear about it in a roundabout fashion. She may do so to maintain her authority over you. Some of you could also be feeling bored with the job. Maybe you want to switch to another branch or you want to look for better avenues. Basically, you desire an increase in pay or an increase in your wages. Cancerians, in case you're in the leadership position, I think it is not the best time. Maybe there's going to be pressure from your workers because they threaten to quit. Ideally, I think you should confront them. Or you could also find yourself apprising the management of the issues that you're facing. Maybe you're going to write official mails also in this time. Or official paperwork could also take up your time. Largely, you're being called upon to make those adjustments. I think the management could also want you to increase the workload of your juniors. Some of you could also be concerned because the administrator wants to talk to clients. That's why you wonder whether there'll be positive feedback or negative feedback. This month, Cancerians, there could be new clients. But like I said, you need to be firm and you need to extract your dues. From 11th to 20th July, Cancerians, we have the Six of Wands. Certainly, your popularity seems to be an all time high in this time. You're coming across as somebody who's quite likable. I think your intelligence and your intuition will also help you make gains. Everyone will agree to your foresight. At this time, you're somebody who's not going to tolerate injustice. I think you will speak up and draw attention to the truth. Paperwork or technical work is also going to increase. Possibly, you should read carefully between the lines before signing documents, or you may have to make alterations. These last minute alterations or changes means that you would have to be up and about, or you have to commute to and fro. You will make gains in this time, but then you may also have to repay debts, or you may have to pay up your juniors and colleagues. That means that you feel that your pockets aren't too deep. Cancerians, in this time, you may suspect that somebody who is managing your finances is not being honest or upfront. Maybe you distrust this person, so there could be some issue of financial mismanagement. Cancerians, some of you may be concerned because your client hasn't paid up your dues, but then you're not going to remind him. I think you should be patient with this person because this person will pay up. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you'll be impatient with the workers who are slow to react. Maybe you're going to look for suitable replacements as well. Incidentally, in this period, you may also find that former workers could tap you for they want to return to your workplace or they want to work under you. A claim for your work is definitely on the cards because you have the Six of Wands energy. I think in this time you could also be spending money or you could be receiving gifts. Time could also be spent this month cleaning your living space. I think you may be giving serious thought to renovation on the home front. 21st to 31st July, we have the Five of Cups. I think Cancerians, you should clarify before you point fingers at others. Maybe you should not raise your voice. Rather, you should discuss things and thrash out issues. Sometimes, you may feel a bit emotional, but you have to accept God's plans or what God has in store for you. Maybe there's also mistrust in a relationship. It would also be beneficial if you don't reveal all your cards in public. Maybe you should keep your ideas to yourself. Professionally also, you could be a bit distracted. Maybe there are interruptions, that is why you're being called upon to focus a great deal more. I think your superior is also somebody who is going to be breathing down your neck at this time. Maybe she wants the work done immediately. And this means that you're under pressure. Some colleagues will definitely rally around you and help you get over the situation. With respect to your love life, Cancerians, we have this card, my soul's language. I think this person whom you're dealing with is telepathically connected to you. I think the two of you are quite aligned. Maybe you're picking up each other's vibrations and feelings or even moods. This person understands or comprehends you completely or perfectly well. Oftentimes, you may also feel that this is a spiritual connection that you share with this person. Single Cancerians, I think there will be marriage proposals, maybe from a far off place, but then these are early days. There could also be admirers, maybe at the bar or a restaurant, but then you may not realize that they are making sheep eyes at you. Perhaps only later on you will realize that they were interested in knowing you better. Singletons, I think there could be proposal, but then you may be also somebody who could be concerned because your pockets aren't too deep. You think that you need to be financially quite stable and secure before you tie the knot. This is why I think your family members may think that you suffer from commitment phobia. Nevertheless, this month love is in the air. I think you're somebody who's going to be emotional because you're going to remember your crush. Maybe you also have the urge to call him up. You believe that this person knows your soul's language, like this card here. Oftentimes, you could be cyber stalking this person. Interestingly, you will also realize that this person is more spiritually inclined or he wants to stay single and unattached. That is why, you could also be feeling a sense of loss in this connection or with respect to this connection. Romancing Cancerians, I think your person is somebody who is going to overwhelm you by his comments. Maybe he could say something which is quite deep and which could touch your soul. Sometimes, you may feel that even After knowing him for so many years, there's still a distance in this connection. Maybe you want to bridge that gap. Anyhow, you're somebody who will excitedly go through the text messages that your person sent. Maybe you will also have a frank discussion with respect to the future of this connection. Basically, you're somebody who desires commitment from your person. Those of you who are married, I think you should avoid silly quarrels. I think financial issues could also crop up in your relationship this month. Maybe your spouse needs financial assistance. Interestingly, when your spouse is in a good mood, then he will make allowances for you. I think you will discuss about the security of the home this month. Maybe there are foes who are out to harm your family's interests. This is why you could be a bit concerned and anxious. Perhaps Cancerians, you should notify your spouse if you're going to go out of the home. Maybe you should let him know about your whereabouts so that he is not in the dark. Understandably, he could be concerned about your well-being. In case yours is a secret romance, I think you should be careful about prying eyes. In case Cancerians, you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think this is the best month if you want to reach out to this person. Maybe it's also the time to express your love for each other, because we do have this card which is affirming here that the two of you will connect beautifully on the soul level. Some of you may also be concerned about your ex this month. Maybe you want to reach out and assist him, but then you will stop short. Perhaps your confidant could ask you to stay away. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you will understand that it is better to walk away. You feel as though you're not being acknowledged by your person or your partner. I think your spouse or even you could feel ignored in the relationship. Criticism from your spouse could also unnerve you. Marital infidelity could also be an issue for some Cancerians here. From the Vintage Wisdom Oracle cards, we have this card here which talks about innocence. Most definitely, Cancerians, you want purity in your connections. Maybe there should be that childlike wonder which can uplift your spirit this month. You know, at times you shouldn't judge others. Maybe you should give them the benefit of the doubt. Some of you could also be dealing with children this month. Perhaps we need to look for the best in those around us. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to be caffeine-free this July. It would definitely help if you would detoxify, if you do away with the harmful foods like tea, coffee, beverages, cola, soda water. Maybe you should increase your intake of natural foods or organic food. That this could help you. It could increase your energy levels this month. Besides, it did come up in your reading that you need to safeguard your health. Another thing I'm picking up, Cancerians, is that maybe you should do some aura cleansing because there's negative energy around you. This could also benefit you a great deal. I hope Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.